Now I am going to explain minors, cofactors and adjoint of 3 into 3 matrix. The same process that we have done for 2 into 2 matrix, you have to apply it here. Now this is your 3 into 3 matrix. So if we have to find out M11, then go to A11. Here A11 is height vertical and horizontal. Now since it is 3 into 3, that means it is going to convert it into 2 into 2 matrix. 2 into 2 determinant, sorry. So what we have to do, A22, A23, A32, A33, it is placed here just as determinant. Now for this one, the determinant value is this into this minus this into this. Here in minor, element is not going to be multiplied, only this part is your minor. Same as M12, this and this. A21, A23, A31, A33. Main diagonal multiplied minus opposite diagonal. Now minor is same as cofactor here, but here the cofactor is negative. So I put here minus of A2. Same way M13. This one and this one. A21, A22, A31, A32. Written here. Main diagonal, opposite diagonal. This is even same. This way you can find out all the minors and their respective cofactors. Is it clear? Okay, there are 9 elements, yani 9 minors as well as 9 cofactors are there. Then it's adjoint, transpose of its cofactor. Now let me explain it with example. A is this one. We have to find out minor. M11 hide kiya, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, it is 11. Then its cofactor is 11. M12 ठीक है 6. M13 प्लेस हो गया 3501. दिस वन M21 0412. M22 1402. This way M22, M23, M31, M32. I have written value because space is not here. Okay, that's why I have placed only value, because you know how to form the determinant for minor. And M33 is here, its corresponding A33 is also here. Now minors and cofactors are here. 9 minors and 9 cofactors are here. If we need to find out adjoint, transpose of cofactors, A11, A12. Now check it out. A11 is 11 minus 6, 3. 11 minus 6, 3. 4, 2 minus 1. This is R2 and this is minus 20, 13, 5. और इसका ट्रांसपोज यानी 11 4 minus 20 minus 6 2 13 and 3 minus 1 5. This is your adjoint of a 3 into 3 matrix. For 3 into 3, no trick is there, children. Or you have to find out all 9 minors and 9 cofactors, then after it's adjoint. Now if we have to find out determinant by using minor cofactor, I am expanding along. A11 is there now, that means it is first row. So A11, it's adjoint. A11 is 1 and its adjoint is 11. Just see here. ठीक है. Into A12 is 0. 0 into A12 minus 6. A13 into A13. Element is 4 and its adjoint is 3. 4 3s are 12. So determinant value is 23. This way you can find out minors and cofactors of 3 into 3 matrix. Then after I have explained adjoint also. That means you can do for exercise 4.5. In 4.5 only one part is left, that is adjoint and inverse of a matrix, and inverse part is left. Adjoint already I have explained. You need to study only for 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Adjoint I have explained it. Okay, adjoint is there for 3 into 3. Now what is the value of inverse? by using adjoint. Already you did for inverse in exercise 3.4 elementary transformation method. This is your second method to find out inverse, and that is by taking use of adjoint. How it is going to be found here? A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Adjoint A is a matrix. It is divided by its determinant value. Definitely it is in denominator, यानी adjoint determinant A is not equals to 0. अगर मैंने पहले बताया if determinant A is 0, that means it is singular matrix. यानी if we need to find out inverse of a matrix, then the matrix should be a non-singular matrix. यानी उसका determinant 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर determinant 0 होता है तो उसका inverse valid नहीं होगा. If determinant A is 0, then A is a singular matrix and an inverse doesn't exist. A inverse of a matrix exists if and only if determinant A is not equals to 0. Now children, A inverse को find करने के लिए there are three methodology. Two I already explained. The first one is your exercise 3.4, that is elementary transformation method. The second method is using adjoint, that is A inverse is equals to adjoint A upon determinant A, where determinant A is not equals to 0. And the third methodology is using equation, that is also given in exercise 4.5. What is the type? Using equation of a matrix A square minus 4A plus 4I is equals to 0, then find out its inverse. Hence find A inverse. If hence is given, that means to find out inverse we need to use this equation. So three methodology are there for finding inverse. The first one is ERT, second is adjoint, and third is your equation. Okay, now in exercise 4.5, question number 1 and 2 is 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 is given. We have to find out adjoint and inverse. Adjoint directly we can find out main diagonal interchange and opposite diagonal का sign change. Determinant A find कर सकते हैं 4 minus 6 minus 2, यानी determinant A is not equals to 0, तो inverse exist होगा. Inverse की value 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, यानी 1 upon minus 2 into this adjoint. minus 2 से हर एलिमेंट को डिवाइड कर दोगे तो दिस इज योर इनवर्स ऑफ अ 2 मैट्रिक्स. ये है एडजॉइंट और ये है इनवर्स. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 into 3 है. एडजॉइंट फाइंड करोगे और इसका डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करोगे. एडजॉइंट को डिटर्मिनेंट से डिवाइड करोगे, देन यू विल गेट इट्स इनवर्स. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बोर्ड क्वेश्चन. A is given. Find the number A and B. This is your A and B arbitrary constants such as A square plus small a into matrix plus B into I is equals to 0. Hence find A inverse. So first we need to find out value of A and B. A square यानी A dot A. A square is this one. Now place the value of A square here. A square, this matrix is placed here. A small a into matrix A is this one. B into I is this one. Equals to 0, that means it is null matrix. Equate करोगे तो 11 plus 3A plus B is equals to 0. This is first equation. 8 plus 2A plus 0 is equals to 0. Here A is equals to minus 4. 4 plus A plus 0 is equals to 0. That means A is minus 4. And 3 plus A plus B is equals to 0. Yani B is 1. A is minus 4 and B is 1. The first question is solved here. Then after, put the value of A and B in given equation. This equation is now become, it is A square minus 4A plus I is equals to 0. Since 0 is there, therefore you can find out its inverse by using this equation. what you need to do, multiply both side, pre-multiply both side by A inverse. दोनों तरफ A inverse से multiply करोगे तो A inverse into A square minus 4 into A inverse into A plus A inverse into I is equals to A inverse into 0. Okay, A square can be written as A dot A. A inverse को A से multiply करोगे यानी A inverse is 1 upon A cancel, तो this one is 4I. A inverse into A is I एंड A इनवर्स किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को I से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो सेम मैट्रिक्स होगा यानी A इनवर्स इंटू आई इज A इनवर्स. तो A इनवर्स इंटू A इज I एंड A इनवर्स इंटू I विल बी A इनवर्स एंड नल इज इक्वल्स टू 0. A इनवर्स इंटू A इज I डॉट A माइनस 4I प्लस A इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0. I डॉट A इज A माइनस 4I प्लस A इनवर्स इज 0. A inverse find out करना है. A inverse is equals to 4I minus A. Put the value and then after you will get the value of A inverse is this one. Here I have used formula also. Adjoint A upon determinant A जब use किए हैं, this is your A, this is your adjoint, this is your determinant. Same value is there. Now just check it out. Okay, so this way your exercise 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5 be completed. Now do your work properly and if you have any doubts then ask your query. Thank you.